In this video, I'm going to answer the top questions I was seeing for this Homland walker and also go over my favorite features.
So the first question I was seeing is how easy is it to fold up? So this is super, super easy to make compact if you're traveling. So how you do that is very simple. There's going to be these levers on the back here, and hopefully you can see it. I'll move it up to the camera a little bit closer. But all you need to do is just literally push these in, and at that point you can fold this up. Now it's only 4 inches in width, so this would be the perfect walker to throw in your trunk, or if you're traveling, you could bring it on an airplane. It's very, very easy to move around.
And the second thing I love is going to be these soft handles. So they're a very soft rubber, so you can squeeze them, hold on to them, put all your weight on these handlebars, and it's not going to hurt your hands while you're doing it.
Another great thing is even though this is only 6.5 pounds, it can hold up to 350 pounds. So it's super sturdy. And like I said, these handles here are very soft. So even when I'm doing push-ups on it, which you're probably not going to be doing, it's still comfortable on my hands. And the final thing I love is they actually give you replacement bottoms. So whatever you think is going to be most comfortable for you, you can pick, and these go on very, very simple. Now I demo a bunch of different walkers. Normally you'd have to pay extra for, which one you want. This one they give it to you, which I think is really, really cool. And these you can just push onto the bottom and you're good to go. So super happy with this walker. I think it's awesome. Bang for your buck. I love to give you replacement bottoms to put on there. And also when I put it together, it required no tools at all and took me maybe 2 minutes to do. So if you're looking for a good affordable walker, this is going to be it. So hopefully it's going to help you out or your loved one.